Welcome everyone. In this video lecture, we will solve a very simple diode based problem which is from Microelectronics circuits book. So the question is this: the for the circuit shown below. So there are four figures: figure A, B, C, D, and all figures have ideal diodes. All are the ideal diodes. So we have to find the value of the voltage and currents indicated. Means we have to find the voltage V and the current I associated with the diode. So in every case we have to find V and I. So this will be the question. For such type of question, what we have to do first, this one is the circuit. So here we can easily say this one is a ideal diode, and here this one is connected to the, this one is a P and N. N is connected to the negative for negative supply. So it is in the forward bias region. So it is short circuited. So what we can do, there is a resistor, and then after the diode will be on, okay, and it should be plus 3 volt, and this should be our V, okay. So here the diode is, okay, here I am writing diode forward biased, okay, because this N is connected to negative, so it is now sorted. So now this one is the equivalent circuit, and this one is just our 10 kilo ohm, okay. So now this one is connected to the minus 3 volt, so this V is simply our minus 3 volt. You can simply write V equals to minus 3 volt. It is connected to this one minus 3 volt. So now we have to find this current I, okay. So for this purpose, this I current will be, current is going from up to down, current is going from up to down. So what we have to do, we have to take higher potential. So 3 minus of minus 3 by 10 kilo ohm, 10 kilo ohm. It should be 6 by 10, okay. It means it is simply our 0.6, okay, and this one is K, so it should be milliampere, okay. So here we can simply say the V value will be minus 3 volt and I value will be 0.6 milliampere. So this one is the answer for the first one, first part. Very simple. This one is sorted, okay, because diode is on forward bias, okay, diode forward bias, and this we can simply write, okay. For more detail, like why we are writing this, I am just doing here, means, or in the up I am just mentioning, means if some resistor is there, this one is V1 potential, this one is V2 potential, and this one is R, and some current is flowing I. So the current equation can be written as higher potential V1 minus V2 divided by R. The same concept we are using here. So this one is also important concept, okay. So this, from this we can say this one direct, this one is the question number one, means, or A we can say. Now we have to go for the second problem. So second problem is also very simple. So in this case what we have to do, again the positive in this one is P and this one is N. So P is connected to negative, so it is reverse bias. So diode here, the diode is in the reverse bias, reverse bias, okay, reverse bias. So just we have to read over the circuit. So what we can do, from resistor, and it is reverse bias, so we have to make it open, okay. So this one is connected to minus 3 volt, and this one is our, okay, this one is plus 3 volt, and that we have to find, that is our V, and this one is 10 kilo ohm. So now this one is open, open. So what it means, the current I will be 0. So because there is no path, so the current I will be 0. So simply we can write the value of I will be 0 ampere, okay. So now we have to make it this as a 0. So this should be, the V should be having the same potential, because this one is 3, so 3 minus 3 by 3. So this one having the same potential, current is 0, I is 0, so this should be 3 volt. Okay, so this one is also simple one. So the value of I, okay, the value of I is 0, because this one is open, no current will flow, open circuited. So why it is 0? Because this potential will be 3 volt. So just simply I equals to 0 and V equals to just simply our, we can say 3 volt. Okay, so make it volt. Okay, volt or like that. So this would be 3 volt and I will be 0. Okay, so in this case, so it is also very simple one. So we have to know the concept, means 3 and 3 volt. 3 minus 3, 0. Okay, means the I value. Okay, I am also right. Step by step, means 3 volt minus V1 minus V2 by 10. So it should be 0. Okay, like that also we can understand. So this I value will be 0. So this one open, I will be 0, no current will flow, open circuit. Okay, so now we have to go for the third one. So in the third one, this one is also P and N. So P is the anode is connected to the positive terminal. So the diode is in the forward bias condition. Okay, so here diode is in the forward bias condition. Okay, so what we have to do, again we have to redraw the circuit. So what we will do, sorry, make it short circuited. Okay, and this one is minus 3 volt and this one is simply 3 volt and this one is say V volt and some current is flowing like I. Okay, here also I, and in this case every case I current we have to solve like this. In question it is given. So now here we have to find the value of V. So simply this one is 3 volt. Okay, so this 3 volt will be, this one will, this is simple a wire. So this V will be simply 3 volt we can write. Now this one is 3 volt. So what it means, this one is 3 volt and the below one is minus 3 volt and this one is 10 kilo ohm. Okay, and we have to find this current I. So this I will be 3 minus of minus 3 by 10 kilo ohm. So it should be 6 by 10 milli, means 0.6 milli ampere. So in this case what we have done, V value 3 volt and I value 0.6 milliampere. Very simple. Okay, but we have to know the basic and it is a very simple question, but we have to do. Okay, so V equals to 3 volt and this should be 0.6 milliampere. So this is about this question number C. Okay, now for the question number D. So for the question number D, what we have to do, again we have to start with the diode, means this one is P N. Okay, sorry, so in this case there will be slight. Okay, means this is very similar to that one na? So now what we have to do, okay, we have to reverse the polarity of the diode. Okay, we have to reverse the polarity. Okay, I have copied this one, so the same. Okay, so now this one is the correct question. Okay, so now what we have to do, so here this one is P and this one is N. Okay, so P is connected to negative, so here we can say the diode in the reverse biased. Okay, diode is in the reverse bias. So now we have to draw the equivalent. Okay, so it should be open. So make it open. And this should be minus 3 volt. We can write it plus 3 volt. This one will be our V open, okay, and this will be I. So now this one is open, okay. So the current, there will be no current in the circuit. So simply we can write the I current will be 0, okay. Now this one is 0. So V, this V will be having the same potential, okay, that is your -3. What it means? Means if this terminal is -3 volt, this terminal also have -3 volt. Even this R is 10 kilo ohm, so the current will be 0. So this V will be -3 volt. Okay. So this -3 volt. So -3 minus of, or we can simply say this I equals to -3. This one minus of -3 by 10. Whatever, this one is 0, so 0. So the current equation, okay, I'm taking different color. The I value here 0 and V value will be -3 volt. So this is the answer for this one. It is very simple. Okay. I equals to, so this is all about all four question. Okay, we can simply write the means we can simply draw the equivalent circuit, means diode on or off depending upon this. We have to think, okay, everywhere, every time we are doing like this, means we are just concentrating on this diode. What should be, it is connected to plus, okay, forward bias, negative, so reverse bias, open circuited. And then after we did all the simple calculation is there. So this is all about this question, and this is from the microelectronics circuit look. So thank you for watching this video.